Hello and welcome to the second of our KitPlus TV IBC news shows. With just over 3 weeks to go as we approach the show, we'll give you some insight as to what you can expect in Amsterdam from the 9th to the 12th of September.
Yes, absolutely. We can't wait. And this is ahead of our very own KitPlus IBC exhibitor 12-hour live stream day on the 1st of September, when we will be chatting live to over 130 exhibitors during the day. More on that later in the show.
Yeah, we've got a lot to get through, so let's start with news from KILOVIEW, who have just revealed the new N50, which is the latest in their range of powerful, high-quality, low-latency NDI converters. It's 12G SDI bidirectional converter for both SDI to NDI and NDI to SDI, and supports the direct transmission of USB to NDI signals by integrating both NDI and NDI-HX into one converter.
Densitron will highlight its continuing broadcast industry success and present its latest hardware and software display and control innovations. Visitors will be able to learn about Densitron's groundbreaking tactile technologies, including the new haptic 10.1 modular solution and the latest software update for its acclaimed Intelligent Display System, or IDS, as we all probably know by now, as well as its innovative ODM Plus design and manufacturing services.
The focus for GB Labs at IBC this year is on reconnecting with customers and emphasising how they can help them with the key issues facing their organisations, such as security and business and change management. On show, you'll be able to find HyperSPACE Generation 3, the latest version of FastNAS, along with the new Unify Hub data management system, as well as GB Labs' intelligent storage technology, such as Cloak DR, Mosaic, and the latest Core 4.
Angekis Technology, at least that's how we say it, will present its newest camera, the Saber IP20X Full NDI. This latest camera offers all the advantages of the Saber series and the Saber IP20X, 20 times, plus the ultra low latency NDI protocol. Features include full NDI, full as in high bandwidth, full connectivity, full HD using its advanced sensors, and a multi-lens camera setup.
Dejero will introduce its new EnGo 3 and EnGo 3X 5G mobile transmitters with integrated internet gateway at IBC, along with its new Waypoint 3 receiver. We've got a few videos covering the EnGo 3, so do look those up. But in short, the EnGo 3 and EnGo 3X combine superior 5G performance with unparalleled video quality for broadcast and media production markets, with EnGo 3X supporting 4K UHD transmission and multi-camera production.
Clearcom will be at stand 10.D29 and will be highlighting its diverse portfolio of innovative intercom systems, including the highly anticipated Arcadia Central Station with HelixNet Digital Network Partyline integration, as well as the full range of FreeSpeak digital wireless solutions and the LQ series of IP interfaces. And since remote and hybrid production has become the new norm, they will also feature their wide range of virtual client solutions to facilitate these new workflows.
Broadcast test and measurement innovator FABRIX will be presenting multiple new hardware and software releases. They're in Hall 10C01. Headlining is a portable addition to the QX series rasterizers in the form of the 3RU QXP, while NoVNC browser-based remote access and improved audio functionality are among the features of the latest software release, that's V4.7, for the QX and QXL series rasterizers.
You can also see InSync's AE2020 hardware, which forms part of GrayMeta's SAMMA solution for video digitisation and migration of tape archives to file-based assets. The unit is designed as an input stage to receive analog and digital outputs from legacy storage technologies and optionally apply a raft of signal conditioning options. The workflow is already being used by the Library of Congress in the US. Interesting stuff.
And to support a range of broadcast control applications and workflows, TSL will showcase its full suite of universal control panels, Hall 10, B41. TSL's standalone independent universal control panels can be tailored to the user and/or the unique application, with several form factors available, from simply controlling a single device to more complex operations. Each works independently and has extended features to suit a range of applications and environments.
Cobalt Digital has revealed plans to demonstrate its Indigo 2110 DC01 SMPTE SD2110 solution on its 9904 UDX 4K card at IBC on stand 10.B44. The new option offers support for high-density native 4K ST2110 audio and video processing on OpenGear form factor. The company will also be highlighting the new version of the SafeLink gateway as a virtual machine and a higher density solution of Plus MPX Dante 64x64, the industry's first license-based quad-channel 3 gig SDI bridge to Dante audio.
Yeah, we'll be speaking to Cobalt at IBC, so no doubt all will be explained when we're there. DPA Microphones is showcasing its latest microphone offerings in Hall 8, F87, focusing on the needs of film and TV productions. They're highlighting the 4097 core microphone, shotgun microphone, which can also serve as a boom mic for broadcast applications. Two important mic solutions ideal for televised live events productions, the 4466 core omnidirectional and 4488 core directional headset mics, and the 4055 kick drum mic will also be featured on the show floor.
Atelier Creative Technologies is inviting IBC visitors to Hall 5.G12 to experience Atelier Connect and Discover. The cloud-native multi-tenant software as a service solution enables customers to manage media assets and the media supply chain from concept to consumer at faster speeds. New advancements in Atelier core technology, tenets, deep analysis and frame DNA allow customers to automate deduplication of large content libraries and archives, reducing overall storage by up to 70%, as well as reducing cloud costs, of course, and the carbon footprint.
Shotoko Broadcast Systems is heading back to IBC with an expanded line of pan-tilt heads and enhanced control systems, and they'll be demonstrated in Hall 10 F38. They'll also be showing their full range of semi and fully autonomous systems, highlighted by SmartPed, the company's flagship fully robotic pedestal, and SmartRail, the world's leading rail camera system.
The Reliable Internet Stream Transport, otherwise known as RIST Forum, has announced that the RIST main profile specification, VSF-TR062, now supports IP multicast authentication. The upcoming TR06 2022 includes a mechanism to authenticate a multitude of receivers. The EAP SHA-256 SRP6A authentication protocol. Yeah, it took some getting through. The RIST Forum is an industry group dedicated to facilitating and promoting the adoption of the RIST protocol, the only protocol designed for delivering premium broadcast-grade content over the public internet without losing quality. It ensures that video content will be reliably delivered to audiences regardless of bandwidth limitations.
Yeah, and you'll be pleased to know we're also speaking to them in depth at IBC as well, so we'll no doubt find out a lot more about the RIST Forum there. Marshall Electronics has released the CV420E, its first ever digital PTZ, an ePTZ camera, and you can see that at IBC, Hall 11 C23. The CV420E is suitable for professional broadcast and Pro AV applications, including professional sporting events, reality TV, broadcast trucks, weather vehicles, and a range of AV installations that require an ultra high quality networkable video source.
Again, we'll be seeing them, and we've spoken about the ePTZ with Marshall before. High Performance Media Storage Specialist Elements will show how its centralized media platform concept delivers maximum operational and creative efficiency on its extended booth at stand 7B25. Technology on show for the first time include the new Bgfs operating system, we've spoken about that before, developed by the Fraunhofer Center for High Performance Computing. This game-changing operating system is benchmarked to provide unrivaled stream counts, throughput and stream count per storage device.
Pixotope Technologies in Hall 7 D08 will be showcasing how easy they make it for all media producers to adopt virtual production solutions and workflows. Specifically, attendees will learn how Pixotope camera tracking provides a streamlined approach to camera tracking and graphics integration, how the introduction of its XR edition simplifies setup and operation of XR environments with LED volumes, and how the launch of the Pixotope Education Program, that's PEP, will help build out the current limited virtual production talent pool. Do also check out the Moses Academy, which provides virtual production training, which is another great hands-on opportunity to build confidence and learn about virtual productions. And you can drop into a taster session for Moses at the next KitPlus show in Twickenham on the 30th of September if you can't make IBC.
JW Player will be unveiling a brand new end-to-end solution at IBC to make it easy for broadcasters to deliver compelling digital video experiences, accelerate their streaming strategy and grow their business. The complete broadcaster solution integrates 24/7 live channels and studio DRM into the JWP video platform to enable broadcasters to stream videos live or video on demand with broadcast-grade performance. The addition of these new capabilities comes as a direct result of JWP's acquisition of Vualto, the leading live video streaming and DRM provider.
And in Hall 8, B89, visitors can experience the new high-performance KVM-over-IP extender Vision XS from Gunter & Drunk, with 10G data transmission technology for an even better user experience. With resolutions of up to 4K, Vision XS combines a large range of functions with performance in a pocket-sized format. In this series, the manufacturer is once again using its tried and tested lossless compression Blue Deck, which enables an authentic pixel-perfect viewer experience.
TAG Video Systems has announced plans to introduce to the European market this enhanced version of its groundbreaking and award-winning Media Control System, MCS. You can see it at IBC on stand 1C30. TAG's MCS is transforming the way media companies and content owners extract and utilise their own data to achieve deep insight into their operations and formulate game-changing operational and commercial strategies. The addition of TAG's bridge technology allows the MCS to ingest a stream once and deliver an optimised version in any size or format to multiple locations. Great for multi-studio live production applications such as news and sports.
Yeah, we'll be speaking to their zero friction officer, Kevin Joyce at IBC, so do look out for that one. Video interface and IP workflow innovator Magewell will be in Hall 7A40 at IBC, showcasing capture, conversion and streaming solutions that seamlessly bridge signals, software, streams and screens. Demonstrations of new and recent solutions will include the new USB Fusion video capture and mixing hardware, the flexible new ProConvert AES67 multi-format audio encoder, decoder and I/O interface device, and latest updates to the Ultra Encode family of universal live media encoders, ideal for applications ranging from live streaming and remote contribution to IP-based production.
Wizicom has announced its new Bfl1 Rf over fibre interface. It will debut on stand 8D78, and the Bfl1 is an entirely new way for users to support RF coverage and distribution requirements without concern for cable loss. Expanding on Wizicom's existing RF over fibre solutions, the Bfl1 features selectable filters, expanded dynamic range and a long-range Bluetooth 5 programming link, replacing the need for larger devices that historically supported RF over fibre. The single unit BFL offers the same robustness in a more compact and cost-effective package.
3Media, who are a specialist media company in workflow and technology management, is exhibiting for the first time at IBC. You can find them in Hall 2C18. Its consultancy services will demonstrate how it's helping media companies identify opportunities in new and next generation operating models to leverage cloud native and ground to cloud transformations. In addition to consultancy, the 3Media team will present its unique product, Zen Pipeline. It's a cloud-based SaaS media supply chain management platform which works to automate and optimize content and metadata management workflows and business processes.
Artel Video Systems will feature products that simplify broadcasters' shift to hybrid, or IP SDI, and all IP operations. Visitors can get hands-on demonstrations of the smart multimedia delivery platform in DigiLink and or InfinityLink configurations, and the award-winning smart multimedia delivery platform in OpenGear, or Smart OG.
Vilrich Broadcast will be in Hall 12, stand A22, where they'll demonstrate several solutions that can be combined with a PTZ workflow. One of the systems that will be displayed is that of Canon and SeerVision. This setup exists out of a Canon CR-N500 PTZ and the SeerVision suite, which integrates directly with a wide variety of pan tilt heads and PTZ cameras, and their API allows you to keep using all of your existing systems while continuing the workflow of your video production.
And QuickLink, the leaders in remote guest contribution, will demonstrate QuickLink Manager, the world's most powerful remote contribution management platform. Enables full operation, control over virtual rooms, remote guests and more within one central portal accessible from any global location. Using the intuitive remote management controls, you can pre-screen, control and manage all guest participants, including camera, microphone, speaker selection, resolution, audio mode, gain and more, all remotely.
And finally, in the news this week, Higami Electronics Europe will demonstrate the latest additions to its range of broadcast production equipment in Amsterdam, and making their IBC debut on the Ikigami stand, which is in Hall 12A31, will be the UHK-X700, the UHK-750 and the UHL-F4000 cameras, plus a BSX100 UHD HD fibre base station.
Yeah, don't forget to save the date of 1st of September for our live 12-hour stream where you will hear directly from over 100 exhibitors about what they'll be showing at IBC this year. We'll share more details on where to watch the live show very soon.
And of course, if you're exhibiting at IBC and have not yet secured your free 5-minute slot on the preview show, then check out the link on the screen now. And if you're attending IBC as a visitor, do make sure you register in the next week before the charges come in. Thank you for watching, and if you want more news, then do check out our other Not the IBC News Roundup show as well. We'll see you next time.